And the next option from the proofing section is the Thesaurus, that when you choose a text, this option gets active. If you choose a picture, this option is inactive. Why? Because this option works on text. For example, now I select the word picture and then I click on the Thesaurus option. The thing that the Thesaurus option does is that shows the synonyms and antonyms of the selected word. For example, now I selected picture. Now we can see that image can be replaced with the word picture, and you can use one suggestion among those in different categories and click on the triangle next to it. Two options are shown for you: insert and copy. If you want that image replaces with a picture, here you can click on insert and it will replace automatically. But when you want to copy it and find a word and press Ctrl+V to replace it with a word that you have selected.